Good afternoon, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Arcade, New York. We have Alex here installing with me today. We're here with customer Tim. We're at All Around Performance.
Yes, sir.
Right? We're just pulling in here. We're at 1213, there you see on the phone. We're actually going to use the robot today to get these pieces in. Not very often we get to actually drive inside, but we're going to see how that works for today's install. We got Tim here. Everybody's under crunch. We're facing off this wall with a cool product that we actually sell. We might have a couple other visitors to introduce you to as we go, but let's see what we can get done. 33, we have our first piece in here. We only have two pieces. This is a very fragile, large portion of the L here. We were able to bring this in with the robot without one drop of handwork. We didn't have to lift a thing, dropped it right into place. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to get our next piece. Good templates are super critical. We didn't do any test measuring here. We just templated this, I think Monday or Tuesday. Here we are on Saturday, sneaking this in for a grand opening here at All Around Performance. With the smart lift, we're gonna show you how we can really, if you bump this stone, it's gonna chip the seam, but we've got this fully remote control robot here. We'll drop this right down into place.
Right now, basically this end to here is all good, except got a little bit of a gap right here on the bottom. And we want this countertop level as good as we can for the seam, so that way we would not scratch a knuckle on there. I'm gonna put a shim right up here. Alright, not scratching a knuckle, we're good.
Hello guys, we started this video here with a little introduction. We're at 5:22. We have this all installed. We started around noon. We templated this earlier this week. Trying to do a fast turnaround here, right? We're right up against Thanksgiving here.
Great.
We stepped in, we sell the ledge wall that we put across the front of this. We helped these guys install that here to get them moved along. Overall, it's a pretty great project today. Had a lot of fun working here with these guys.
Yeah, I got to help all day and I didn't get fired.
Didn't get fired.
Didn't get fired, but we'll find out what the car talk is. I'll ask one of these guys.
Real impressed with the quality of the customer service, the guys that did the help. Those guys were real clean, real professional, real happy with the way that they talked, they held themselves. The fit and finish right at the very end, the details that they put into the product is amazing. I highly recommend it. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate you guys coming out. Thanks for watching.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate the business. Good working with you guys.
Absolutely, man.